Hello and welcome to the tutorial on fractions. And in this tutorial we are going to go through multiplying fractions. So let's have a look at the question we're going to be working through. Calculate 2 2/3 times 1 1/2. 2 2/3 times 1 1/2. Now again, the first thing to notice is that this is a 2-mark question. So you have to show your workings out to get both marks. Now let's go through this step by step. The first step is to convert the mixed numbers. Now the mixed numbers are the number with a fraction. Convert the mixed numbers into improper fractions. Convert the mixed numbers into improper fractions. So how do we do this? Well, the first fraction we have is 2 2/3. Now this simply becomes 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. So this becomes 8 over 3. 2 2/3 becomes 8 over 3. We put the multiply sign. Now the second fraction, 1 1/2, is simply 3 over 2. 1 1/2 is 3 over 2. So that's the first step. Now I'm going through this step by step, making it very simple to follow. You may get more complicated questions in the exam, but if you know the principles, you will be able to answer them. Now the second step is to multiply the numerators and the denominators. Multiply the numerators and the denominators. So what we're saying here is we multiply the numerators, which is 8 times 3. We can write this down, 8 times 3. And we can write this over here. 8 times 3 is 24. Now we can multiply the denominators, which is 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. So this now becomes 24 over 6. Now I'm sure you know what the third and final step is. This is simply to simplify if required. Simplify if required. Well, we need to simplify in this question because 24 over 6 is simply 4. So we have reached our answer. It is 4. So 2 2/3 times 1 1/2 equals 4. And if you show all the workings out, not everything I've written in yellow, that is just to explain how you go through this, but everything else, if you write this out, you will get the maximum 2 marks.